The advanced search enables you to really hone in on a very specific set of search criteria. The field names should be self-explanatory. Basic search can still be used in conjunction with the filter drop-downs and the advanced search at the same time. If you want to reset the search, just hit Clear Filters. For the sales search, hover over the field to see the number of days the sales stats will be searched against. For example, last 90 days. This is the number you set when clicking the Update Sales Stats button on the bookshelf dashboard. When searching on numeric values, you can also set the less than, equal to, or greater than modifiers. For example, you can filter for books published before a certain date. When you're done with the advanced search, just click to close and the contents will be cleared, so it's set back to the basic search controls until you open it again. In the search results, you can click the heading for title, status and type to sort the results alphabetically. Click again to reverse the search and again to return to an alphabetical sort. Scroll with your trackpad or mouse, or alternatively use the arrow keys or page up and down keys to browse the results. When using the keys, just make sure the Popup app is in focus by clicking somewhere inside it first. From this results page, you can already perform some basic functions. Hover over the cover thumbnail to make it larger, or click Select to make the book active, which we'll cover shortly. Click the Edit button to open the book in its Edit Details page to make changes to it in KDP. The checkboxes to the left enable individual selection of specific books for use with the Generate Store and Batch Edit buttons. Click here to select or deselect all with one click.